This video demonstrates how to install and set up the Solis Wi-Fi Datalogger. Install the Datalogger. Remove the plastic protective cap from the inverter COM port. Match the joint, and then insert the Datalogger to the inverter COM port. Rotate the black ring in clockwise. Match the joint, and then align the Datalogger with the USB port groove of the inverter and insert the logger into the port directly. Create the Solis Cloud account. The Solis Cloud mobile app is required for on-site commissioning. You can download the Solis Cloud mobile app by scanning the QR code. Tap Register. Select owner or organization for registration. Enter your email address and input the verification code you received in your email. Then set up username and password to complete the registration. Tap Login to Home to enter the home page. Create plant. Enter the home page of Solis Cloud app. Click Add Plant in the middle of the page. Enter in the plant details, and then tap Next. Once the required information has been entered, tap Create Plant. Plant creation completed. It will automatically enter the app homepage. Bind the Dataloggers. Click on the plant to enter the plant home page. You will be prompted to add a Datalogger. Tap Add to add the logger. Scan the QR code on the logger or manually enter the logger SN. Then click OK. Bound successfully. If the plant has multiple Dataloggers, please click Continue to configure Datalogger to bind other Dataloggers. Network configuration. Log in Solis Cloud. Please click Service page to enter Wi-Fi configuration in the toolbar. Scan the QR code on the logger or manually enter the logger SN. Then click Next. Choose the configuration method. Click Configuration by Bluetooth. Select the device called D_ serial number of the inverter. Click Expand button to jump to the WLAN settings on your phone. Search for local area network and then select the network you want to connect. Then switch back to the page to fill in the Wi-Fi password and move to next step. Configuration completed. Log in Solis Cloud. Please click Service page to enter Wi-Fi configuration in the toolbar. Scan the QR code on the logger or manually enter the logger SN. Then click Next. Choose the configuration method. Click Browser Configuration. Make sure that the green light flashes at intervals. Then click I'm sure it is flashing. Click Go to connect or anywhere on the page to jump to the WLAN settings on your phone. Search for local area network and select the network called D_ serial number of the Datalogger. Enter the default password 123456789, then return to app. Click Expand button. Make sure the phone is connected to router Wi-Fi and switch back to the page to fill in the Wi-Fi password, then move to next step. Configuration completed.